Hi everybody, how are you today? I am looking at doing a reverse dip on this little 8x8 inch canvas. Welcome to my channel. By the way, I'm Lorraine, and today I'm going to be using some Deco Art colors. This is an Amethyst, and I wanted to let you know I found these containers. They're little squirt containers. And I found that the lids fit right on these Deco Art bottles. So instead of washing the whole container out, I can just wash the tip out and reuse it. So this is an Amethyst Metallic. This is a Sapphire. This is one that I mixed up in the bottle. And this is a Extreme Sheen Rose Quartz. And I am going to use my Deco Art Metallic Pearl for my background. Put this on here. So it's going to be all nice and shiny and pretty, I hope. Been kind of thinking about these reverse dips. They're fun, and I haven't done them in a while. And I watch others do them, and I go, oh, that's so pretty, I want to try it. So I am going to try it in the style of an artist that I do watch. It's Fiona. I believe her channel is Fiona Art. I'll put a link or put the name of her channel down in the description line of this video. She does these really cool spirals. The last time I tried one, oh, it turned out terrible. But I'm going to try again. I'm not going to give up. Not going to give up. Let's make sure I got this spread nicely and even. And I am going to start out with my Amethyst and try and do a spiral. Start on the outside edge. Concentrating on that circle. Fix this spot right here. And then I'm going to go in with my rose quartz. This is the Sapphire. I'm going to go back around with my colors. Just like right here, quite the gap. And these paints are mixed. 50% paint, 50% Floetrol. And they're easy to mix up right in these bottles if you have a partial bottle. Add some color in some spots here that are kind of wide striped. Okay, very pretty colors together. Okay, I'm gonna get a paper towel and get it wet, just damp, not soaked. Just spraying it with a water bottle. One extra spray, just in case. Okay, so I'm gonna try to set this in the middle and let it drop so I don't get too many air bubbles in it. Okay, this is the part I get nervous about. Just gonna make sure I have good contact everywhere. Whew. Okay, here we go. Bring the corners together slowly. And lift it up. Oh, it's pretty. It's so shiny. Center came off, came out of center here. So I might have to do a little spiral around that. Okay. I'm gonna get rid of the air bubbles. There's a lot of them in here. It's pretty. These colors are so pretty. Check that out. Just kind of looks round though, so I'm gonna try to give it a little bit of definition. Bring some of it into the center. Right in here. I don't know, I'll have to ask Fiona. What did I do wrong? 'Cause give it a little bit of a center. It's getting some nice little cells happening around the edge. Maybe I need to use something opaque in there along with my metallic paints. But it's pretty. I like the colors. Tell me what you think, guys. Appreciate you coming to see my video. If you haven't already, please subscribe. If you hit that bell and make sure you put all in there, you'll get notified when I upload new videos. And give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think. I will see you next time. Bye.